Hi, this is Rubil from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix 0x00F4245, 0x80070005 camera error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. To fix this error, click on the Start menu, type camera. After appearing the camera, click on App Setting. After opening the app settings for camera, scroll down and click on Repair. Now check if your camera is working. If it's not working, click on Reset. Again click on Reset. Now your camera should work. If it did not resolve the error, today I am going to show you how to solve We Need Your Permission for Camera. To solve it, right click on the Start menu. From this Power menu, click on Settings. After opening the settings, from the left side, click on the Privacy and Security. On the right side, scroll down and click on Camera. Make sure camera option is turned on, or if you want to turn on the camera in the application, turn on the application if it is closed. Once you've done this, close the settings window and check if your camera is working. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.